Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm not real. Every frame of me, my face, my voice, the way my mouth is moving right now, was generated in ComfyUI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was built. So let's get into it. There are 4 pieces to how I was made, and each one gets its own full video in this series. Part 1 is the face. This started as a single text prompt in a Qwen-Image workflow, but what you're looking at now is the result of dozens of attempts, different hair, different lighting, different expressions, before one of them actually felt right. I'll walk through the full workflow, prompt and all, in that episode. Part 2 is the voice you're hearing right now. It's cloned from a reference sample, not recorded from an actual person, using a workflow called Higgs audio. I'll show you exactly how I use that reference to generate new voice lines whenever I need them. Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm not real. Every frame of me, my face, my voice, the way my mouth is moving right now, was generated in ComfyUI. Part 3 is getting the face and the voice moving together. This is a Wan Video InfiniteTalk workflow, and it's the heaviest step in the entire pipeline. I'll get into exactly why in that episode. And part 4 is the background music you're hearing right now. It wasn't composed or recorded manually. It's generated using stable audio. I'll show you how to create custom music like this from a simple text prompt. If you're completely new to ComfyUI, I've made an optional basics video, linked below, that walks through generating your very first image from scratch. Start there if any of this sounds unfamiliar. If you already know your way around ComfyUI, you can skip straight to next part, where I break down the face workflow in full. That's the full shape of this series. 4 pieces, 4 videos, and a recap at the end putting it all together. Subscribe now if you want to follow along, because next up, I'm going to show you exactly how my face was made.